Vidarbha Institute of Technology started in the year 2009 with the mission of providing technical education to the nearby students, aspirants from the rural areas. The journey started from the year 2009 with the 4 undergraduate courses. Then during this journey, we have added postgraduate programs in all the 4 departments. The 4 undergraduate programs are computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, electrical engineering and mechanical engineering. So we also have postgraduate programs in mechanical, that is CAD/CAM. Another PG program in computer science, electronics, and electrical engineering, that is power systems and power quality. So 4 postgraduate programs, 4 undergraduate programs. Along with that, we are also running diploma engineering in mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. And recently, from this academic session 23-24, the society has started diploma in pharmacy also. Ours is an accredited institute. We have gone through 2nd cycle, and like this in our journey today, another milestone we are adding in our journey of technical education, that we are inaugurating the AICTE sponsored Atal FDP, which is proposed by mechanical engineering on the theme productivity enhancement. So on my personal behalf, on behalf of management, I congratulate all the faculty members for preparing the proposal very nicely, submitting it and getting it sanctioned from AICTE. So congratulations to mechanical department. Dr. Mandavgane has very elaborately spoke about the productivity, since the theme of the faculty development program is productivity enhancement. AICTE Training and Learning Scheme, under this scheme, which is in short called as Atal, AICTE provides financial support or grant to conduct faculty development program for all the junior or middle level faculty members. Why AICTE is sponsoring such a program? What is the philosophy behind it? Due to advancement of technologies in almost all the areas, it is very necessary that all teachers, all faculty members must update their knowledge. When the faculty members or teachers have completed their graduation and post-graduation, maybe it is 10 years, 15 years back, or even 5 years back, their knowledge as on today may have become obsolete. So it is very necessary, every teacher must update his knowledge. Unless and until the faculty members are updated with the recent technologies, you may talk about software development or other technological development in all walks of life, maybe it is industry, manufacturing industry or a service sector. Everywhere, because of this daily, I am using the word daily change in technology. Every day the technology is changing, and it is a big challenge for everyone to update, continuously cope up with that technology, because there is a competition. And as Government of India or government is nowadays talking about Atma Nirbhar Bharat. So we have to become self-dependent, and to become self-dependent, that we can achieve only when we can produce the skilled manpower. Unless and until there is a skilled manpower available, we cannot become self-dependent. आत्मनिर्भर भारत का सपना पूरा नहीं हो सकता. Now, why I am talking about this? What relation it is having with today's FDP theme, productivity enhancement? As Dr. Mandavgade sir has said, productivity will be defined by different persons in different way. As far as we focus our attention only on education sector, the productivity enhancement, that means producing more skill-oriented or skilled students. The students who are tomorrow's engineers, producers or various products, developers of various software programs, these students, this manpower should be properly skilled, properly trained as per the industry requirement. And if this happens, then only we can become self-dependent. Then only that goal can be achieved. Then only India can become number one in economy, world economy. So our small step will help in developing the nation. We are still not developed nation. We are developing nation. We can achieve that goal of developed nation by taking such small steps. Now, as far as education is concerned, what is small step expected from us? As I said, that our student, our budding engineers should be properly trained. The industry expectations, the IT companies' expectations must be matched with our training in the classroom, in the laboratories. And that is possible only when upgraded by current knowledge, current technologies. Unless any teacher is having that exposure, student with the knowledge transfer will not take place properly. So, with this philosophy, AICT is giving the grants to conduct such faculty development program for the development of faculty. And they are accepting the proposal. I will like to inform you, sir, that they accept the proposal which are based on recent technologies and recent developments. The proposals which are submitted to AICT for sanction of grant on